Hello guys, in this session we speak about scipy library in Python. Scipy is scientific Python and it is useful for scientific analysis. For scipy installation, we can use pip install scipy. We open miniconda 3 conda activate da35 code environment. Then we write pip install scipy. For my computer requirement already satisfied, scipy is already installed. Some examples of scipy functions. For integration we have scipy.integrate. For optimization we have scipy.optimize. Interpolation we have scipy.interpolate, and so on. We open Jupyter Notebook from our miniconda. Then click on scipy file. At the beginning we import numpy and scipy. Import numpy as np. From scipy.stats import ttest.ind. Create some array data. v1 equal np.random.normal size equal 100. In the same way we create v2. Then is equal ttest between v1 and v2. Then print result. T-test is minus 1.46 and p-value 0.14. Then from scipy.stats we import describe and create some data. For example, x equal np.random.normal size equal 50. With result equal describe x. Then print our result. Notice 50, minimum, maximum, mean, variance 0.9, skewness is kurtosis minus 0.19. In the same way, we create x and y, give it some numbers, then find t-test between them and print our result. T-test is 0.3 and p-value 0.77. And from scipy.interpolate import interp1d. Create some data x and y. Then f equal interp1d between x and y 2.5. Then we have integration. Import scipy.integrate. F equal lambda xnp dot exp minus x exponentiation 2. Then print our results. I equal scipy.integrate quad of f, o, and I. Then print I. Scipy.io provides multiple methods to handle inputs and outputs of multiple formats of data such as MATLAB, NetCDF, IDL, ARFF, matrix, market, and wave. Let's import scipy.io as SIO n equal 14,031,977. scipy.save made as testmat test n number. matf content is equal scipy.loadmat testmat. Then print matf contents.